You're good to go. I got you there.
Got it?
You're good to go. But don't go too far, because I won't be able to see.
Got it?
Yeah, I got you there. I hope. Do one more run there. I'm gonna make sure I actually record. I think it did.
You got it?
Yeah, go ahead. Alright, stop it for a second.
I think the receiver's. That might have some issues.
Oh, shit.
That's alright.
Well, I got it recording, so. The last thing I do is fall in the water. That'd be suck. Whoop, I heard it. You said it's your second time doing this?
One more time around and I'll check my temperatures anyway.
Alright. One more run and I'll shut it off. Just don't tip. Okay.
One more time around it. Pretty cool sound though, isn't it?
Crush 'em.
Alright, I'll bring it in now.
Alright, hold on.
Check.
Come on. Keep pushing. I got that.